Hello guys, I'm gonna be trying out a weird thing. I don't know if it's famous or not, yeah or not, whatever, or not. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying out, I'm gonna be making some random accounts and giving these away actually. Let's just make them pretty actually. I don't want people with ugly accounts like this that Movie Star Planet does. Well, she's gonna be called Selena Gomez with the nice hair. You know, Becky with the nice hair actually. And she's gonna look like a unicorn. So let's put this. Wait, no. Something dark. Then it goes lighter. Wait, that looks the same. What the frick? There we go. She wants to be well, that looks like she has too much big boobs, but we're gonna get that instead. Let's give her a pink bra. Not a pink bra. Okay, let's just give her a dark red bra. Then give her, whatever that color is. Wait, what? I've been watching Elmo, yes, but I still don't know my colors? What the frick? Well, I don't watch Elmo anymore, so don't be freaking out like that. So, yes, someone is taking a shower. It's my brother. Why do these look like Raven Queens? Shoes, yeah. High heels. I'm gonna make her... No, she looked like a cowboy. We don't want that. I mean a cowgirl. Then we are gonna add these, yes. Queen, you slay. Okay, this is gonna be called... Slay Queen. Nah, it's just gonna be called Becky with the good hair. 653. And the password is gonna be, wait, is that in use? Okay, good. Glue stick for a weird reason. That's gonna be the password. 1, I guess? Wait, what was that? Glue stick with... No. I know what it is. Glue, oh my freaking gosh. Glue stick for no reason. 1. Yeah, that looks wrong, so let's just put, No, I'm joking. I'm not copying Albert's stuff. Let's just put Albert's stuff as the oh my god, I spelled Lycanbus. Albert stuff. 5, okay, yeah. Oh my god. Albert stuff. I spelled soft. I can't spell today. Albert stuff. 1. Okay. Albert stuff 1. Yes. Come on. Is it correct? Load Queen. We're not gonna be hearing the stupid people taking pictures of us, cause we famous. We is famous. We don't need Movie Star Planet to prove that we are famous. Yes. We already are. But wait, what the frick? Who was driving that? Well, the status is gonna be Samsung Galaxy. Samsung Oh, shoot. Samsung Galaxy. That's gonna be, wait, it looks like I spelled Sam, my friend, sung, singed, the Galaxy song. Come on, Becky with the good hair. Wow, well, we could do a rockabye, baby. I can't sing. I told you guys. It's like my videos are clickbait, but they ain't. Her hair is blonde. She could have them blonde too. She could have. Man, this just looks like weird things. Let's claim all the presents. Actually, no. It's not chat that ban. Oh my God, chat Dan, whatever it's called. And into, wait, let me pause here right here. Okay, it is 2:42. Yeah. Well, I said, it's hi guys, it's Becky with the good hair, and she said, I like it. So I'm I'm appreciating that. You see? Yes. Okay, let's claim all them presents. Bye. What? Wait, she just left me? She left me. Wait, no, she come back. She's like, baby, come back. To me. Yeah. Totes. First kiss. My first little kiss went a little like nails. Yes, it did not. That would be scary, actually. Okay, we're leveling up. Man, this sucks. Oh, okay, let's change it to be trying to hack me. Oh, bitch, you can't. What? I don't know what I spelled. Okay, now it makes sense. Because in my mind, I thought it was gonna be ahaha. Man, I'm coming up with these songs for some reason. And, she could have this ugly account. I don't freaking care. And just be sure to claim this. But you know what? I'm being helpful here, so let's go. Let's make a new account. We're never gonna make the password Jake. No, I'm kidding. Not Jake Paul, not those Jakes. I mean, like, Albert Stuff's friend, I guess. Ooh, the next one should be called Lana Stuff for some reason. Yeah. Totally. What's that? Come on. My glue stick is being very mean. I was trying to make some slime with it, but come on. Let's make an ugly boy. For all the boys out there, I'm not calling all of you ugly, just calling this one ugly. Man, he need a tan. That's me making him like this. Yeah. He looks good with some eyebrows. But maybe he needs a double chin. No. That's ugly. Let's make him gay? Yeah. Okay, let's give him some blonde hair. Gay person? Yes. Oh man. Let's give him a pink. Well, that cute pink there. Yeah, that makes it stand out. Pop, 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 pop. No, I'm not a rapper. Mine's not a hot singer thing. Man, he looks like he's wearing the dress right now. Let's give him really one of my family members farted. Really? Really? Why do you have to do this to my life? Okay then, don't respond. Yeah. Let's get him some pink sandals. 'Cause that's the only thing that looks girlish to me. Let's give him... Yeah, let's just stick with pink. His name is gonna be XX Love Guys? No. XX Love Boys. Yeah, boys, okay. XX. Oh. Okay, Love Boy? Wow, okay, alright. Love Boy. Hey, who took my frickin' username? Let's just make it Love Boy. Well, XX Love Boy. XXXXXX. Well, right there it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. I don't need to count. And the name, well, not the name. It's gonna be Love. No, just Love. Bad Heart, yeah. Bad Heart, yeah. Bad Heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Yeah, it's Bad Heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a new style with a fresh type of flow. If you want to do that, just copy that thing. Type the text from the so I was doing it all correctly all this time. All this time I've been just searching them up on Google, and then when I found I never read that because I'm too lazy. Why do I still play with dolls? No. Ow, that actually hurt when I said that. Oh yeah, let's be boyfriend and girlfriend. No, I'm joking. I love Big Chalk. Oolat! Oolat! Man, never mind. I love famous people. Famous people. Come on, bitch. I did not mean that, actually. What is this? They already know that I'm gay. Haha! How does Bruno Mars say that? Okay, so I am back, and I'm kind of whispering. And I am ready to leave from here, and go to bed. So, bye guys.